Welcome! Today we will be unboxing Table's Junior Rainbow Castle Bounce House. I'd like to show off the setup and teardown process for this bounce house, so you can see how easy it is to use an inflatable that kids are bound to love. Let's get this unit out of the box. You'll find that the inflatable comes in a large bag, and also includes a pouch that contains your J-hook sticks and multicolored vinyl patches. When taking your inflatable out of its bag, be sure to lay out a tarp underneath to keep the inflatable clean and safe. With all of that set up, now you can unroll your bounce house and attach it to the blower that comes free with all of our inflatable units. Go ahead and turn the blower on. This unit inflates in under 45 seconds. Now just stake in the four corners and your Junior Rainbow Castle bounce house is ready to use. When you're done with the inflatable for the day, turn off and detach the blower and open the deflation zipper that's beneath the Velcro flap on the side. After removing the stakes, flatten the inflatable as much as possible and fold it into thirds as seen here. Always take off your shoes before stepping on an inflatable. Once it's folded, have one person roll it tightly while another person slowly walks backward from the front of the unit back to the inflation tube. Now loop the included straps around the inflatable and tie them off tightly. If you've tightened the inflatable enough, it will now fit back into its carrying bag. Now just string the last straps through the loops on the opening of the bag, and you're all finished putting away your Junior Rainbow Castle inflatable bounce house.